Okay, so here's the house. There's a carport, RV parking. So there's another little spot there. So when you enter, it's a little bit of a mud room. So this used to be like the outside of the property. It is a little bit of a porch. So he has enclosed it and made it into a mud room. And here's another little area, great for crafts or storage or anything like that. And then when you enter the house, it's got tiled kitchen, gas stove, double sinks above the windows. It's a very open layout, very functional. It's got a skylight here as well. Let's see if I can capture it. Skylights. And here's the living area. So large dining room area. It has a wood stove, real hardwood floors. One of the bedrooms. Here's the stove. Bathroom and laundry. Has a stackable washer dryer. The master. Quite spacious, and it has a walk-in closet as well. So there it is. Quite big walk-in closet with a window in it. And if we come out, these sliding doors, we have a little porch out here, and this is the sauna. Let's take a look inside. And there we go. There's the sauna. This is fabulous. It's all set up and ready to go. And down here is the crawl space underneath the house. So back at the front of the house, there's the carport. And then when you walk up there, there's a workshop there. Okay, so I came up the stairs. This is where the holding tank is, and the well is right here beside my vehicle. And this is the workshop garage. 10-foot ceilings. It's quite large. So really nice to have. And the views from here are amazing.